Good morning everyone. So today guys, today's video is a cooking video. I'm making some Chinese gizzard, Chinese fried gizzard. And then I also will make a carrot cake later. And I might make some maybe the almond bread also. Alright guys, so I will show you what I have for the batter for the chicken gizzard. And then two batter, one for dredging and one for the liquid, for ducking the liquid. Right, so I'll show you what that looks like. So that's the chicken gizzard here. I have 3 medium-sized pack gizzard. I wash it with vinegar, clean it out real clean. I didn't cut it because I got boil it first. Usually you can soak in the vinegar for like 15-20 minutes and get served, but I'm not doing that today. I got boil it, and then we go get it seasoning and dredging. I have 2 cups of flour. Depends how many gizzard you have. I have a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, teaspoon and a half garlic powder, teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of chili powder, some ginger, a teaspoon of ginger, and some onion, teaspoon of onion powder here. So that's for the batter, and then we go mix all of this together, then make the batter, and then we go get to the to the dredging part. We can mix the part after this. Alright guys, so this is our batter here where we go dredge the gizzard in. Nice and smooth. We go dredge in here, and then we go dredge it in dry. And then we go fry it. Right? And I forgot to tell you guys, this is whole grain wheat flour I use here. Not a regular all-purpose flour. Whole grain wheat flour. So I season this with paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, a little abogo we call it, this one here, and I have some black pepper in here also. So this we gonna mix with cold water and a half cup of butter inside here. So you add the butter after, because the butter have to be chilled when you put it in here. So we gotta add the chilled butter in here, half cup of chilled butter inside here. You add the gizzard in here. Get this out the way. We just start to mix this up. I decided to make an egg dredging. We go dredging the egg, dry, and then we go in the oil. Alright, so we got it 4 set in here, frying there now. Low heat. Take your time and fry it, nice and brown. Alright, so the 2 layers, chicken is finished. It's half already. 2 layers. That's finished there now. Right, so we go and go so far. 1 finish. You finish the gizzard. And then we have a feast later. Carrot cake, gizzard, layers, chicken curry with dal and rice. Alright guys, so our fried gizzard is finished. Chinese fried gizzard. Soft. Hot. The pepper sauce, or you can make some sauce to go with it. And the carrot cake. Now we can start mix the carrot cake. And this is a blender carrot cake. You can put it in food processor also, but I'll put it in a blender. So let me show you the ingredients I have for the carrot cake. So I have flour, 2 cups flour, all-purpose flour, 1 whole zest of orange. So try when you zest it, don't get it white. Just get the skin. So there's 1 whole orange, medium-sized orange zest skin. 2 cups of diced carrot. 2/3 cup, 3/4 cup of oil. I use olive oil, the green can oil. I will show you what the oil I use. And I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder here. I have 3 eggs. Tablespoon and a half cinnamon, tablespoon clove, grind clove, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, I have a half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of grind ginger, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Nutmeg, I mean. That's a nutmeg, and this is just cinnamon. I have 1 cup sugar. Depends how sweet you want it, because remember the carrot is sweet. And I have a pan here, my grease dusted with flour. Alright guys, so first we got the carrot. You add the egg. Just make sure no shell going. You got the sugar. And what you can do if you want it a little sweeter, you can taste it when you finish mix everything. You can give it a taste if you want it a little sweeter. Orange zest, vanilla. Alright, so I just turned it over onto 360. And this is going to bake for like between 30 to 35 minutes. We got add our flour in here. So we got all the dry ingredients here now. Or you can use I have a stand cake mixer inside. I have that inside, but I'm not using that today. Just mix this up together. Little by little, not too much. And as we go, we gonna mix. And this is optional if you want. You can add some fruits in here if you want also. What I like to do with mine, grate some carrots, some fine carrots, and sprinkle it at the top here, and then bake it. So in the meantime, the oven is preheating. I will just grate some carrot and sprinkle it at the top here for some topping. Alright, so I'll grate some carrot here, and I just sprinkle it at the top here. So as you finish preheat, you put it inside the oven. Alright guys, so next cake I'm baking, I'm making an almond flaxseed cake. So let me show you the ingredients I have for that. Alright, so I have 1.5 cups almond flour, 1/3 cup of flaxseed, the fine one, extra fine, 2 eggs. I have cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, vanilla, and I have baking powder here, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Right, you can use vegetable oil if you have any kind of oil you have, you can use, but this is more healthy. So you add all dry together, then we mix the egg. Oh, for the sweetener, I forgot the sweetener. This is the sweetener. I use monk fruit extract, very good. You don't have to worry about blood sugar spike. See the ingredients, everything is 0. So I use that. And this is the extra fine almond flour I use. Super fine. Gluten free. Great for baking. And I also make roti with this, guys. This, I mix this with flaxseed and make roti. I'm gonna make it one day. I'll show you how I make my roti with that. The flaxseed and almond flour. Alright, so let's get this mixed in. In the meantime, I have the carrot cake in the oven baking. We're gonna mix this up and then we're gonna put this in the oven too. Alright guys, so this here, you don't have to use a lot. Just a little, maybe a half teaspoon in this. And that may be too much too, because this really tastes sweet. So you don't have to put a lot of these. So I'm gonna average this. I didn't measure it out. Just put a little inside. You got the flax seed. The baking powder. So you add everything out of dry. You got the vanilla in here. And we go crack the 2 eggs. And mix the egg with this and add it inside here. Oh, we got a little Himalayan salt, just a little. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the dry. the flaxseed, almond flour, the rest of ingredients we had. We have quite a cup of milk here. Alright, so we got our egg in. Egg mixture. And this is almond milk. Unsweetened almond milk. You can use a hand mixer if you want. But this is good. Healthy, gluten-free, everything. Yeah, that's good. And so we can put this in the oven to bake 20-25 minutes. And then we can check it out. Okay, so I take the carrot cake out of the oven. And this is the almond one. You don't have to, we can take it out. It should come out easy. Play a little music. And that's the trick for get the cake out easy. Let's see. Yeah. If you want to make it more big, look how nice and beautiful it look. The almond one. You want to make it more big, you can add more flour, almond flour ingredients, but just me alone is eating it. So let's cut into it and see how it looks. See, spongy. Perfect. I want to a piece of the almond. Look. This is the almond. And this is really good. The almond cake. Almond flaxseed cake. Let's try the carrot one. See? You could taste the crunch. The carrot I put at the top. You could taste the crunch on it. It's really good. So I cut it in two. Show you what it looks like. Look. There's 1/2. You can put it around your neck. 1/2. This is the other half. Alright, so you cut this up. Put it inside. Guys, hope you like this recipe I make. The carrot cake, the almond cake, chicken gizzard I make. So guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe today. Thank you for watching again. Fun advance, thank you for all your view and comments. Thank you again for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll see you back in the next adventure.